Good day everyone, this is our repetition on science and religion, and these are my companions, Brother Kurt and Brother Ramir. So for our thesis, Brother Guy Consolmagno stated that science is a means of worship and can even lead people in understanding the Creator. Faith and reason, science and religion are interrelated in the sense that those are gifts from the Supreme Creator and are needed to be nurtured.
So for the 14 points, the first 14 points is, it says, St. John Paul II in a speech for Ettore Marjona Center acknowledged that science has paved the way for the strength of faith. Phenomena that are doubted back then have their explanation and as a ground to consider their existence.
Okay, for second supporting points that the famous scientist Galileo Galilei was not a heretic, although has been raised with a suspicion of being an enemy of the church. What he tried to achieve is removing the misconception of reality with the help of science, which even affirms the majestic nature of the divine.
For the third supporting point, the speech to scientists during the visit to Ettore Majorana Center by St. John Paul II argues that science and religion are both manifestations of truth. Their genuineness does not only rely on themselves, but it also relies on their relationship to each other. It means that the two become meaningful and genuine only when they are tied to each other.
So proceeding to the objection to the first one, however, there is still a threat inside of science, like in the abuse of resources that can be illustrated in experimentation, unethical practice, and exploiting natural and human resources.
So for the second objection, ironically, as what Brother Consolmagno warned, that even the church abused its own power and teachings only in addressing futile issues.
For the objection to the supporting point 3, science and religion can never be put together because they are two different things that are, and their ways of explaining the truth and reality are different from each other.
To respond this in the first answer, St. John Paul II reminded us well that if there is a danger encountered by science and religion, it is not because of the discovery and progress. Instead, this depends on the use and application of knowledge into technological level, per se.
Thus, science and religion are guide for one another to assess the teachings and practice and define humanity in measuring the outcomes of practice, incorporating ethical and reasonable elements.
So for the answer to the third objection, yes, science and religion are different from each other, but they are similar in their search for truth, because truth does not only lie in the dimension of science, but it also lies in the dimension of faith. According to Brother Guy Consolmagno, science and religion are both conversations about the universe, and studying the universe will not only bring a man closer to a clear understanding of the reality of it, but also get closer to the one who created it. So in conclusion, faith and science are both gifts of God to us, humanity, that needs to be nurtured and utilized in seeking the truth and deepening our relationship to God.
So for the insight, religion and science are inseparable to each other, which means that I cannot only focus on one while neglecting the other. Separation makes the two meaningless and will lead only to deception or wrong use of it. Knowing God is impossible in the indirect approach, but it does not mean that we cannot know Him anymore. Through science, we know God indirectly by looking at His creation and the universe where we live in. Our reason not only satisfies our desire to know things as they are, but it also serves as a vehicle fueled by faith on our journey that leads us closer to the Creator.
So starting today, we will embrace both science and religion in deepening our faith and relationship to God. God is working and is always with His creation. And as a response, we are called to find God in all things and to be appreciative to its seekers. That will be all, and thank you for listening.